The silky anteater, also known as the pygmy anteater, is the smallest of all anteaters, found in Central and South American rainforests. Weighing less than a pound, this nocturnal creature has soft, golden fur that provides excellent camouflage among tree branches. It uses its prehensile tail and sharp claws to navigate and cling to trees while searching for ants and termites, which it extracts with its long, sticky tongue. Despite its tiny size, the silky anteater is a skilled predator of insects. Its elusive nature and unique adaptations make it a fascinating and lesser-known marvel of the animal kingdom. Feeling wild about these amazing animal facts? Don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button and joining our pack of animal enthusiasts. Subscribe now for a safari of fascinating discoveries.